Deep cleaning on LG-15Z975 laptop. Thank you, Sir Jake, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Opting for deep cleaning on a laptop is a wise and beneficial decision, especially for maintaining optimal performance, longevity, and cooling efficiency over time. Dust, dirt, and debris accumulate inside the laptop, particularly in the cooling fans, vents, and heat sinks, leading to overheating, thermal throttling, and potential hardware damage. Regular deep cleaning helps prevent performance slowdowns. 038 extends the lifespan of internal components and reduces the risk of sudden shutdowns or system failures. Additionally, a professional deep cleaning service ensures that delicate internal parts are properly handled, avoiding accidental damage that may occur with DIY attempts. It also improves airflow and cooling, allowing the laptop to run more efficiently and quietly, whether for gaming, professional work, or everyday use. Investing in deep cleaning is a smart choice to keep your laptop in top condition and ensure smooth and reliable performance over time. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.